In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create passport size photo in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll have a clean 2 by 2 inch layout ready for a passport style photo made entirely in Canva. Start by opening Canva on your browser. From the home screen, look for the option that lets you define a new design size. Choose Custom Size. This is the quickest way to set up an exact canvas without guessing or resizing later. Before entering any numbers, make sure the units are set to inches. Canva can switch between pixels, millimeters, and other measurements, and choosing inches avoids conversion mistakes. Since passport photos are commonly measured in inches, this ensures you're working with the correct physical dimensions from the start, especially if you plan to print. Now type 2 for the width and 2 for the height. A 2 by 2 inch square is a widely accepted passport photo size in many places. If your local requirements differ, always check official guidelines. But for a standard square passport style layout, 2 by 2 is the typical choice. Click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank square canvas at exactly 2 inches by 2 inches. This gives you a precise frame so you can place your photo without worrying about aspect ratios or scaling outside the required size. Next, head to the Upload section in Canva's left sidebar. This is your media library inside Canva, where you can bring in photos from your computer. Click Upload Files, then select the portrait you want to use. High-resolution images work best, and neutral, well-lit photos with a clear view of your face are ideal for identification purposes. Once the image appears in your Uploads panel, drag and drop your photo onto the 2 by 2 canvas. You'll immediately see it placed within the square layout. This gives you a precise visual reference for how your picture fits within the passport size frame. A few quick reminders as you work with your image. Choose a recent photo with your face clearly visible. Avoid heavy shadows, and use a plain background if your guidelines require it. Keep your head straight forward, and maintain a natural expression. These general pointers help your final image align more closely with common passport standards. That's it. You've set your Canva canvas to inches, defined the size as 2 by 2, created the new design, uploaded your image, and placed it on the passport size layout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently set up a passport size photo in Canva.